Good morning, friends. What is up? Hello and welcome to this video. Today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me on my weekend. Finals is next week. So firstly, I need to do a lot of studying. Hopefully this weekend I'll just be able to get a lot done. But we still will be doing like some fun stuff. Like, it's been really hot out recently. Yesterday was like over 70 degrees, so I went to the beach. So I think I'm gonna go to the beach again after my class today. I wanna actually just like read. Like read not a textbook for a final or for my class, but just like read a book that I wanna read. Listen to music that I wanna listen to. Doesn't that just sound lovely? Here is the outfit for today. I did not lie when I said it's hot out, but it's kind of weird because all we're doing in this class is like presentations right now, and I already did mine, so I high-key don't need to bring anything, but it just feels weird walking to campus with like nothing, like just my phone. Anyways, I'm gonna go run to class. It's my very last class of the school year, which just like processed for me, which is really cool, I guess. I don't know. I'm excited. I'm glad. I think my French professor is bringing us like croissants. I will see you guys after class when we can get to doing some more fun stuff. Hey guys, I am back from class. It feels amazing just knowing that I'm done. And I made myself a yogurt bowl. I'm just gonna eat this, and I quickly need to do some revision for a little video. And then we're gonna go to the beach, which I'm so excited for. It is so hot out today. Hi guys, does this even count as one of my videos if I don't make a little pit stop and run a little errands on the way? So we're just gonna be doing a quick little run into Urban Outfitters. You'll see what for. Hopefully I find it. Taylor Swift. Hey guys, what is up? It's Saturday now, and I just slept in. I did a little bit of work in the morning, and then I just got ready and I'm going out for a little brunch picnic, and then I just want to study, do a lot of schoolwork today. But I want to show you guys, I didn't get to show you last night because, funny story, it was a little hectic. I don't think this is normal for like YouTubers, but I have like 10 SD cards, and I kid you not, all of them were full. Like they had 1 minute of filming left on them, and so I couldn't film anything, and I had to go through all of them and like delete stuff, which I am such a photo hoarder and video hoarder. I'll have a video I filmed like genuinely years ago, and I still don't want to delete it. Even though I've been through the footage, edited it, uploaded it, I'm still like attached, but I made myself do it. I just wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Urban. I saw this girl on TikTok who had one of these, and basically it's like you can see their little sections, and so you can stick this to the back of your phone and then you can stick it to like anything. And I just like love that idea because I'm always dropping my phone everywhere. But I didn't want to put it on this case because I didn't want to ruin it, and I don't think the orange matches. I don't know why I got orange. Orange is not my favorite color. So I just stopped by Urban and picked up this case. I actually didn't have any choice what case to get because this is the only one they had for an iPhone 11. Oh, this is what it looks like. Ooh. I like took a survey for Pepperdine and you got like a $15 gift card in return. So I got this and I got chrome powder for my nails. For some reason, I kind of feel like this isn't gonna work, but I really hope it does. I swear I'm way too easily influenced for my own good. I don't want to move my blinds, but I'm gonna try it. Whoa! Guys, look! That's crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually kind of impressed. Okay, anyways, as I said, I am off to my little brunch and I'll see you guys back here when it's time to finally start the studying. I've been doing like little snippets of studying, but I need to like sit down and like actually do it, you know? Also, this is the outfit for today because it's been really hot out, so I just have a little brandy dress and then I'm gonna bring my little brandy purse. Probably wear some Converse. Weird angle, but just for a little update, it is almost 10 p.m. now. I just showered, I ate a little dinner, I've been doing some schoolwork, but the game plan, I'm going to do a load of laundry because it makes me feel productive. But I was getting so sleepy sitting there and studying. I think it's just the vibe of our house. It's very cozy, but sometimes it makes me like just want to not do schoolwork. It was one of those days, unfortunately. I was literally ice drooping, so I figured I'd just shower to wake myself up because I do have more that I want to cover. I'm gonna go get my laundry started. I feel like that's a good way also to just be like, I can't sleep for another 2 hours because I need my laundry to finish. happy Sunday. I just started off with a really slow, calm morning. I slept in, just did some laundry, responded to some emails, and I'm just grabbing lunch with a friend. Now is the time to get ready. Pretty repetitive, but once again, today's gonna be pretty much another study day other than grabbing a little meal. And then I'm hoping to maybe get some library time in later today. And we have this Pepperdine tradition that I'm gonna bring you guys along with. Our professors serve us breakfast on the last Sunday before finals week start. It's late night breakfast. I've been a Glossier girly recently, especially since they brought it all into Sephora. Hi friends, I don't want to be running late, so I'm just here to show you my outfit. It is, can't even see it, but it's very basic. Little do you know, it's all thrifted, as all of my outfits are, and I think I'm gonna wear it with my fake Bostons. Anyways, I'm off now, but I'll see you guys once I'm studying again. Monday, but I just wanted to come in and end off this video. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for watching and joining me on this kind of chill, very study weekend. Thank you guys so much. I am wishing you the absolute best with the end of your school year or finals or just whatever stage you are in, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.